Good morning, good afternoon or good night, depending upon when you are looking at this, which is a bit Truman Show, but happiness at whatever moment you look at the video. And this is one of Saeren's favourites. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely little pop-up park. It was designed and made especially for the loveliest little housing settlement estate. There's the baby girl. It's open, fresh air, trees, green, places for the dogs to play. Yeah, houses full of people who are loving life, living in a lovely place. And there we go with the trees, and breathe and feel the sun coming through on an autumn day from the clouds, and breathe and breathe and breathe and breathe and breathe and feel the green, feel the green, feel the green, feel the green, feel the green all around you, and the trees, and the hello from the Helen.